Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells back with another answer to your burning eBay questions. Mary sent in this question. I am new to eBay. Does eBay penalize you if you take a listing down in mid-listing, like if you sell it on another platform? And that is a very common thing right now because you may have items on Poshmark or Facebook group or Amazon or Etsy or any of the other sites, and there's really no software for inventory management for the smaller at-home seller. There is software if you're a big mega seller and you've got inventory all over the place on different sites. It's quite expensive, but pretty much you just handle it yourself, and when something sells, you go and you take it down off the sites that it did not sell on. So the answer to this on eBay is yes and no. It just depends on the situation. Fixed price listings, no problem there. Auction listings, it depends on the situation. So if we go to the eBay help customer service help page, it talks about canceling a listing. You can cancel an eBay fixed price listing at any time, but auction listings can only be canceled in certain situations. The guidelines on this page are for ending a listing early in most categories. When you cancel a listing, it risks disappointing potential buyers, so we strongly discourage all our sellers from doing so. However, we understand there are times when a cancellation might be necessary. Valid reasons include the item is lost, broken, or no longer available. Okay, so the no longer available part is because you sold it somewhere else, so it's no longer available, so that's a completely honest answer. Or you made a mistake, such as listing the wrong starting price in an auction. You can get away with that a few times, but if you habitually do this, eBay will flag your account and there will be some consequences. So, like if you have one item, it's a collectible, and you think you're going to get a lot of money for it, or you could go for more on auction, then just don't have it listed on those other sites during the time of the auction. Just pull it from the other sites, put it on eBay, let the auction go, and deal with it there. The problem is when you have it listed in 5 other places on Facebook and Poshmark and wherever, and you put it on eBay as an auction, and then it gets bids on it, and then it sells on a Facebook group or on Poshmark, and then you're stuck. So if you're going to do an auction, don't have it listed on other sites. So this goes into a little bit more about when it's eBay legal to end the auction. So if there's no bids on it, or if there are bids on your item and you are willing to sell your item to the current highest bidder, which there's really no reason to do that. If you've got it on auction, leave it there and let it run, because a lot of times bids come in the last 30 seconds. People are using sniping tools. If you don't know what sniping tools are, leave a comment below the video and I will make a video about what that is if it needs further explanation. All these reasons here, these things usually don't happen. You shouldn't end the auction early just to sell it to somebody for their bid. That doesn't make any sense because bids can always go up. Or the other one that might get you is if there are fewer than 12 hours left in the listing and you receive bids, and you don't want to sell it to the highest bidder, which I don't know why that would happen, but that 12 hours thing can also be kind of sticky. So bottom line is, if you have your item listed on multiple sites, don't run auctions on eBay because you don't want to get penalized for having to end the auction if the item sells somewhere else. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Please leave your comments below. And if you have any questions about eBay selling, post them below and I will do my best to make a video about it for you. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day on eBay. Bye.